Hi guys, I'm here with Nicole. We're here at the Subaru to pick up a used car for her brother. Now we're gonna pick up the car that I want previously, the Veloster, and a manual transmission. And this is just to get him ready for his dream car, a Mustang. And getting a Veloster is not that bad. And see how it goes. Check it out.
That's life. That's what all the people say. That's life.
The best part at dealership. Free coffee. I guess we're at Cars and Coffee right now.
That's life. That's what all the people say.
Alright.
That's life.
As I was editing this video, I noticed I didn't get to end the video. So I'm editing it right now. So what happened is we got there like 12 or 12:30. He was having troubles about his credit history, credit score, something like that. We were there for about like 12 until like 7. Got like a high APR, but we got a not bad deal. It's okay. I guess the best that we can get. That was my dream car before, the Veloster. Now, even though I have an STI, I feel kind of like proud, I guess. And it's a stick shift. I was teaching him how to drive a stick shift because I really struggled learning how to drive that STI for a while. Even though I first learned to drive stick when I was driving the car. Good luck to him. And I guess we'll be modding the car soon, so I'm excited. And so is he, and so is her sister, which is a car guy now.
Baby.
Hit it.